Hello traders, this is Debraj again. Today we are going to discuss price action setup, but always with order flow. So if we can have a very good price action setup on higher time frame like H4 or H1, but we enter after getting confirmation from order flow. So today we are looking at USD JPY. Okay, so this setup happened yesterday, Friday. First, let's look at the price action. Okay, left side is H4, right side is M15. On H4, we had a drop, base, drop, a good supply level. You all can identify this as a nice supply level with an imbalance here. So drop, base, drop. Now the price is coming to the zone. When the price is coming to the zone, important thing you have to check how fast the price left the zone, and when the price is coming to the zone, how it is coming. We can see the price is not coming at an impulsive wave, it's coming with a corrective structure. So that's a good point to check that yes, buyers are not that much strong, because it's coming in a corrective way, not an impulsive way like this. This is the impulse move. Okay, and the time it took from this place to this place, it took maybe 1, 2, 3 candles only. But when the price is returning to that zone, it has, it is taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, more than 20 candles. So that means sellers are still very strong here and buyers are coming in a corrective structure to my point of interest. When I'm looking for a POI or something, a supply zone in this case, I always try to see at least 50% of that supply zone should be mitigated. After that, we can start looking for setup. I'm not going to look any setup here when it enters into my zone. Better deal always comes on the upper half of the zone when we are looking for sell. So now let's see what happened. It tapped 50% of my zone. Then I'm looking at right side. This is the M15. Right side. Let me make it bigger. Full screen. So we all know that we are at a good zone. Now this is M15. Then let's see what happened M15. It tapped the zone here. It tapped my 50% of the zone, and then price is doing something here, and we wanted to sell here. So those who don't know about order flow footprint, let me tell you, in order flow footprint, exactly for 6E, 6B, EURUSD, GBPUSD, they are all in the same direction. But for USD JPY, USD CAD, they are inverse. So that means if we want to sell USD JPY, we have to look a buy setup on 6J, which is JPY futures chart. See this JPY 6J. 6J is nothing but inverse of USD JPY. I'm opening a 6J 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes chart here, order flow footprint chart, and you are seeing here USD JPY 15 minutes price action chart. So what happened here? This one is here, this one. When 6J goes up, USD JPY comes down. 6J goes up, USD JPY comes down. So that means if we want to sell USD JPY, I have to start looking for 6J buy setup in order flow footprint. And we will always follow our same checklist. Every week, if you are checking my videos, then you'll check that every week we are not going to trigger any setup until unless we get our 3 minimum checklist in the order flow. Clear? So that's the zone. Now we are looking for sell setup on USDJPY, and in 6J we are going to look for buy setup. So now from order flow, what we need three confirmations from order flow footprint. What we need, again, as usual, I'm going to write it one more time for you guys so that you can memorize that this is the checklist we need to see every week or every day. Our checklist. In this case 6J I'm looking for buy, that's why USDJPY will drop. So 6J I need to see sellers trap, buying pressure, which is nothing but here these blue numbers, these blue imbalances are buying pressure. Sellers trap is these ones, 58 you were seeing here, 59, 58, 58 I think. Okay, and we must have to see delta becoming strong. In this case it's positive delta, so max delta must be strong enough. Okay, now let's check if we have those checklists or not on this point of interest. This is my point of interest. I'm looking for sell USDJPY, so I have to check for 6J buy. What do we have? Let me check. So we have sellers trapped. Sorry, check the sellers. 58 sell contracts trapped here. So first criteria is met. Sellers trapped. Buyers are joining. Here we see these buyers are now joining. So buying pressure, buyers are joining, but actually I'm not that much happy with this buying pressure because, you know, mostly, okay, this is all I know, that buyers are joining and they're also coming at the wicks. That's good, but I wanted to look buyers coming at the body of the candle. That is more powerful for me. So it's not a very good setup, but still we have some good buying. I'm seeing some good buyers are coming here. Next, the most important thing is you should never miss delta. See the max delta and min delta. Min delta is minus 33, which is nothing when we compare to max delta. Huge max delta. So that is the next confluence, the max delta. So we have our three checklist met here, but I was a little bit, you know, doubting because of I didn't like these buyers are coming and on the wick, so I was waiting. This candle I waited. Next candle, which is this one, check here, the buying are coming where? At the body. 109 contracts, standard lots are buying at the body of the candle, of the bullish candle in 6J. And at the same time I am seeing some algos are also placing their orders. Algo detected. So one more confluence we get here, which is telling me that 6J going to be shooting up. Once we have these three here and four confluence, so this candle is nothing but in price action is this one. Let me draw this. So see, that's the big bullish candle. That means that is the big bearish candle. Next we see this bull candle here the bearish candle. Here is that bullish candle. That means that is the bearish candle here. That is your candle. This is the one we are talking about, the final one, when I'm seeing the algo also detected, and also I'm seeing the buyers are also at the body, strong buying or also at the body. Here you see, here 89, 99, 99 buy contracts, 89 buy contracts, 109 buy contracts. Super strong to tell me that 6J is going to boom from here. That means if 6J goes up, that means USD JPY will go down. That's the candle, the final confirmation. We have sellers trapped here, done. Buying pressure coming at this candle also, and also here we have huge buying pressure, you can see, and delta is super strong with negative delta is very minimum. These three confluences are happening where at a very good price action, where it was from higher time frame, it was a good supply zone. So I hope the setup is clear. Yeah, but there are few more things, small 2-3 things which I'm not going to discuss here, which are really powerful when you look for order flow. But I have already told you 80%. Okay, 20% is reserved for my premium members. So yeah, but I have already told you that what is the main setups you need to see every day. So that was the setup, and if I place my position, position thing, so that was the candle. After this candle I could have sold it. Actually we sold it in the group. I'll show you. That is the stop loss just above this candle, and this is the entry, and 3R is minimum. 3R it gave, yes. So that was the entry, USD JPY sell. We took this trade. This is our group, TWL trading. Okay, and see, I posted this one. Look for the setup, 6J. Look for the setup, 6J is going up. Look where we entered, exactly same time what I'm showing you. We entered here, it boom, it melted. 6J USD JPY, it melted. Why? Because 6J was going up. I hope it makes sense. And yeah, finally it went, I think 50 pips also, and we are not counting pips. It was a very small stop loss. If you see from the trading view, it was just 12 pip stop loss, and it gave 3R, easy 3R with your order flow confluence, because you are also at a good supply zone from H4. So recap, from H4 we have a good supply zone, strong move, corrective structure. Okay, now waited for the 50% mitigation of that supply zone, then switch to M15 order flow, look for 6J buy setup. When the 6J was buying, we got all the three order flow confluence. 6J was buying, so USD JPY was dropping, and we took that trade. So that's a nice 3R trade. I hope you like the concept and step-by-step analysis how we got this trade. And yeah, so I hope I'll be also giving you more nice videos like these. You'll like it, and if you like the videos, please spread the YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. So yeah, like and subscribe. Bye bye.